Hello, this is the trade site U.S. stocks and futures market preview for Tuesday, 17th of September 2019. Hope you had a good trading day. It's a very slow day to start the week. Really, we gapped down and then we were just dead action, dead flat all day. Bad volume, bad everything. Nothing to say. Very strange for this time of year. But we've got enough signals on the market to indicate maybe something's coming, so let's just stay prepared. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. Still stuck under the risk line from the 13 sell signal back in July. Never got to the target or got a reverse 9-bar startup phase, so it is still active. That's why the pink line is still there. Go through the major daily charts. Crude oil down $1.06 to 61.84. Gold down $6, which is really a blip. S&P down just over 9 points. Again, the cash index also operating under the same signal. NASDAQ 100 down 40.54. The SOX down 11.16. Biotech's up 26 points. Russell 2000 up 6.45, but this thing has been so range-bound since the start of the year, really. The VIX gained 93 cents, but it's only at 1467. Not much there. The trend closes at 0.89. That keeps that moving average pretty low. Remember that thing under 0.85 for a couple days last week. That was our sell signal. Last time we got that was back in September, if I scroll back of last year, and the market started to dip about 8 days later. So we'll see what happens. NASDAQ volume, very bad. Worst in a while. Worst since the summer. Worst of September at 1.8 and change billion shares. NASDAQ advanced decline ratio was plus 138, so a couple more stocks were up than down. New York plus 259. Google loses $8.40. Remember, there's a 13 sell signal in place on Google. Apple up $1.15. Netflix literally up 14 cents. Can't get any flatter. Amazon down $31.50. Tesla down $2.39. Facebook down 97 cents. Goldman Sachs down $2.68. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, was up $1.74. Dow Jones down 142 points. Let's look at the intraday action. Let's switch it back to 5-minute candles so we can just see what happened on Monday. Again, the gap down kind of moved and basically established the whole range. Look how flat the afternoon was. Just got glued to the VWAP midpoint area and nothing happened. NASDAQ side, the same deal. Look how flat that is. Really just horrible, horrible trading environment. In terms of economic data coming out on Tuesday, we've got capacity utilization and industrial production at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. The NAHB Housing Market Index at 10. Tick long-term purchases at 4. That's at the close. Remember, this is triple expiration week, so we should get an options unraveling move somewhere in here. But we do have a Fed meeting, and therefore the 2-day Fed meeting with the rate announcement that occurs on Wednesday. That could be part of what's slowing things down as well. But expect to get something after that for sure. But there's a lot of news globally. There's signals in the market. It's usually a time when things start to move, so we will have to see what happens. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.